Hello everyone, welcome back. We saw how XM products work at the moment in demo portal. Let's see XP, Sitecore Experience Platform. So it's Lighthouse XP, an end-to-end multi-site demo of Sitecore XP with analytics. Now this is the typical Sitecore XP traditional that we saw, just hosted in the cloud. It has got Content Hub DAM and operations already included in it, but there's nothing else like Sitecore Send or anything because it's the typical Sitecore XP we saw uh, with XConnect, EXM, everything. So what we do is we click on that, we go and say Sitecore XP Lighthouse and press next. Australia East. Now I already have one demo set up because it takes a long time as this is deploying XConnect and analytics and everything. It does take more than 30 minutes even to set it up in demo portal. So I would suggest you create in advance and give it some time to set it up. I won't press next for the moment because I have already created it, but the moment you press next and deploy, it will start creating one. I will let it create, but for the day for next step, I will see the one that I have already created in advance. So the V1 we just created, it's deploying, will take 30 minutes, but we'll see how this one is already pre-set up. So first of all, it has got a content management URL, content delivery URL, a mail server, and demo scenarios. Now, content management is nothing different to what XM we saw. The only difference is you can have all the XConnect apps here, like Experience Manager. Sorry, this is EXM, Experience Analytics, and this is what we see for XConnect. So all the data as well, you can see it has pre-populated all the data, which is good. You can see data here as well. Content editing, we won't go in much in there because it's the same control panel content editing here. The new part is all the XP features here and EXM as well, which is good. Uh, you don't have to worry about setting up EXM and mail server and everything. You can play around in here. Now with all the new composable products, this whole thing is gone. We shouldn't be concentrating on XP at the moment because Sitecore's focus is not on EXM or XConnect anymore. It's all gone. Sitecore is using Sitecore Send, which we'll see in next video how Sitecore Send works. But if you want to play around or demo to your client how XP, EXM, and XConnect used to work, this is a good way to demo it. The front end of the site is very nice layout actually. You can see how it has got an XConnect cookie, which is expected. But yeah, the purpose of this site is just to do a quick demo and shows you how login and analytics works. Sorry, not login, just analytics works, and EXM as well. Yeah, there's a mail server as well, so you can see how EXM mail server works here. But overall, very easy to set up XP, which can take quite a long time to set up in your local for demos. And if we look at this, uh, deployment logs, the deployment does take a long amount of time, especially the Kubernetes deployment, because there's so many apps it is deploying. It deploys all the XConnect apps and everything. So there's a lot of data in here. uh, all the demo scenarios mentioned here as well, which is quite handy actually. It gets created, and you can see it's for your specific one. It creates, and only three things to demo in here, which we just saw. Cool, thank you.